Hi everyone, I am Eli and welcome to my channel. Before we get into today's video, make sure you hit on the subscribe button for more videos like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. For a while now, I've been thinking about starting my YouTube channel, but I always found a way to put it off because I never thought I had the right equipment to start making YouTube videos. Disclaimer, you do not need everything I'm going to talk about in this video so you can get your YouTube started. In reality, all you need is just your iPhone and dedication to making YouTube videos. As a YouTuber, one of the most important things that you need is a camera. And like I said earlier, you do not need any fancy camera to get your YouTube started. All you need is your iPhone and use an app called Pro Movie. This app gives you a lot of features that you would typically find on a regular camera, and you can use that to set the settings for your video. I also use the Canon T7 as my primary camera. It's a very basic camera and you do not need it to get started on YouTube. Alright, now you've got your camera set up and you're good to go. Now the next thing you need is lighting. Lighting is very important to video making. Now you can use natural lighting if your filming location allows for it, or you can use a lighting kit. It doesn't matter what type of lighting you're gonna use as long as you have good lighting. Now this next part could be a little controversial because for some people it's just as important as getting a clear and good image, and for others, as long as it's there, it's good. The audio. There are many different ways that you can capture the audio. The first way, with the built-in camera and your recording device. Whether you were using an actual camera or you were using your cell phone, they all have an internal microphone that picks up the sound. Or you could also get an external microphone that is plugged in directly to your camera or to your phone and capture the audio. That way is probably the most popular way that most YouTubers capture their audio because it allows for a simpler post-production edit. The third way and the most complicated way that you can capture your audio is to use an external recording device. With the external recording device, you have to sync up the audio in post. Now, you finish recording your video. Next thing to do is to edit it and upload it into YouTube. And that's it. There are many different editing softwares out there. It doesn't matter what you go with, just go with one that works for you. Okay, you've recorded your video, you've edited it, and all that's left to do is to upload it to YouTube. You've taken your first step, so congratulations, you're now a YouTuber. Alright everybody, thank you so much for sticking through till the end of my video. Now if you like this video, drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time for another video.